Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and set up a commission plan. Odoo does have a module within the ERP that allows you to create commission plans, and it'll calculate everything for you based on the parameters you set, and it's tied to the sales application. So if you come all the way down here into the invoicing section of the sales tab here in settings, there's a check box here. You also have the ability to turn on the achievement forecast. We're just going to leave that off here in this scenario. Then within sales, you can see now that there is a commissions button up here. You'll have to go to commission plans. And if we were to start a new one, you're clicking new. You're going to name it whatever you prefer. You could make them for a specific person or a sales team, and you can make it achievement or target based. Achievement would just be a flat, you get this for per this, so like you get a certain rate per the amount that you've invoiced or something like that. Whereas targets, you actually select a target of how much the salesperson or sales team has to hit. If you select a salesperson in this area, this is where you would add the specific salesperson that you want these parameters to be set for. Same thing, you can change the effective period. Generally, they're set for a year. You can change the frequency depending if you do commissions on a monthly, quarterly, or just yearly basis. And here you can also set quarterly targets too. So if you have certain periods throughout the year where business is typically busier and you want your salespeople to have higher quotas, you can determine that here. And just to show you what a finished one looks like, this was made for a specific salesperson. The salesperson here was the demo user Mark Demo. These are his quarterly targets, and here is his commissions graph based on those. And here are the sales orders in which he achieved these. So again, once you set all the parameters properly, it'll track all that information, and essentially within the commissions, you can see each person's rates and what have you. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.